kindly do me a favor and watch this video. In this video, I want to talk about positioning. And if you have a knowledge of positioning, you should be successful. Quite funny, I've paid quite a lot of money to have this knowledge, but I'm going to share it for you. But all I want you to do for me is to put your imagination to its maximum use in this video, because I'm going to just use a basic analogy to explain it. And I want you to listen attentively. Now, look at this. This that I'm holding right here is a tin of milk. And not just a tin of milk, it is a roasted tin of milk. A roasted tin of milk. This tin of milk right now, if you see it in your car garage, it is just a tin of milk. And if you eat it with your leg, you can just eat it to your leg or just take it and throw it inside a trash can. It's just a roasted tin of milk. You can see it, you can see what it looks like, right? This tin of milk, if you see it on the roadside, all you can do is just to eat it with your leg, because it is everywhere, it is common, it is a roasted tin of milk, right? Listen carefully. You're going to understand this very well. This tin of milk, now, if I take it and I take my time to paint it in a very beautiful color, and I paint all of the angles and everywhere, and I give it to you, it is still a tin of milk. As a matter of fact, it is a roasted tin of milk. Whether I paint it or not, it's a roasted tin of milk. But now, if I want to increase the value of this tin of milk, I have to understand the most important thing. It's not to paint it, but to change the environment. Now, listen carefully. If I take this tin of milk and I take it to a museum, and I place it on top of a red rug, a red carpet inside the museum, and I shine some light at it, right? And I put a chain around it so that people cannot reach this tin of milk in the museum. Now I create a sense of mystery. And the more the mystery, whereby people cannot reach it, but they can look at it from afar, a sense of mystery, right? The value of this tin of milk increases. Now, look at it very well. I did not change anything on this tin of milk. I did not paint it. I only place it museum. I only change the environment. Only change the environment of this tin of milk. And the value increases because of mystery. Now, look at this tin of milk as your job. More people that follow me are fashion designers. So look at this tin of milk as your job. This is your work. This is your senator outfit. Anybody can make senator outfits. Look around you. How many tailors can you see? A lot of people that can do exactly what you're doing or do it even better. But the construct of environment, if you can take what you're doing right now and put it in an environment where it is valued, then the value increases. Just the basic fundamentals of structural positioning. It's called a strategic positioning. If you can do this, the value of your business goes up because the value of people that see it goes up. It's as simple as that. I spend a lot of money to have, people pay for how to get better at their things, how to get better, how to know how to sew this, how to know how to do this. I'm paying for how to value nothing to something, how to increase the value of nothing to something. And these are the kind of teachings you're going to have in those classes that I have paid for. Like I've paid a lot of money. See, I have to be rich. I have to make it in this life. This one life, I have to make it because I've spent a lot of money on how to position myself, how to increase value, understanding the construct of value. So if you can understand this is just the same way as everybody's work. But if you can increase the value by changing the environment, then the value of the product goes up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video and you like to see more like this, subscribe to my channel. The link will be below in the description. You can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me here. You will see more of this video. And that's about it on this video. If you like it, I'll see you in the next one. Until the end, salute. Bye-bye.